National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Dakota County, Northern Steele County, Southwestern Goodhue County, and Southeastern Minnesota, Rice County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Owatonna to Morristown, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Faribault around 7:55 p.m. Kenyon around 8 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Dundas, Wanamingo, Nerstrand, Northfield, Zumrota, Stanton, Cannon Falls, and Goodhue. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.